Good morning, I am Michelle from Taming Little Monsters, and today we are going to be learning how to make a black glue Christmas tree. This is a fun art project for you to make with your kids this holiday season, and of course you can use this technique to make any sort of Christmas picture you like, whether it's Santa Claus, reindeer, or even candy canes. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so what we need for this art project is some watercolor paper, some watercolor paints, and some black glue. So you can make your own black glue quite easily. All you need is a regular glue bottle with a few drops of food coloring in it and give it a good shake. I've had this particular bottle for over a year and it still works fantastically. So I'm going to give it a shake. Okay, and the first step after you make your black glue is to use a glue to draw the picture. So you can either draw it with pencil first and then trace it, or you can just freehand it, whatever feels right for you. You will find that the thicker you make your black glue lines, when they dry, the thicker they'll be. So if you want more delicate lines, then be a bit more sparing in the black glue before you apply it. You may also find that you get bubbles, and you can just use a pin or your finger to pop these before it dries, or just leave it in there as an interesting feature. And of course, if you find you haven't used as much glue as you would like, you can go back over and fix it. Okay, once you've finished applying your glue, then just let it to dry and before you move on to the next step. Okay, so this is one I've done earlier and the glue's already dry. You can see that where the lines were thicker, they've made some quite big globs. If you don't like that, then as I said, use your glue a bit more sparingly, but it can be an interesting design feature. So now that it's dry, all you get to do is grab your paintbrush and paint. And that is how you make a black glue Christmas tree. As I said, you can use this technique to make all sorts of different pictures. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.